What's up, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another simple and easy but delicious recipe. How about some just plain old simple creamy mashed potatoes? How about that? Creamy mashed potatoes, baby. All right, so what we're gonna need for these delicious creamy mashed potatoes, we're gonna start off with our potatoes. I got 6 to 7 small russets. You can use Gold Yukon, you can use red potatoes, whatever you choose is your choice. Use whatever you like. But here's our potatoes, sea salt. We got some black pepper right here. We got some heavy cream. That's what's gonna help it make it get creamy, baby. And we have our unsalted butter. Yeah. Now let's put it all together. Now let's just get our potatoes cut. We're just gonna quarter them. You can take the skin off of yours if you want to. I'm gonna leave mine on. So we're just gonna quarter them just like that. Let's get that to the side. And try to keep them all as uniformed as possible. That way they all will cook. About our 3 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead, let's get that on the stove and let's bring that to a boil and drop our potatoes in there. And then we're going to allow these boys to cook for, we're gonna go for 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna check them. We're gonna make sure they're fork tender. All right, let's check our taters. They look done, look fork tender to me. Let's see what we have. Let's see. Yepper. Look at that. It's fork tender right there. That's what you want right there. All right, now we got our potatoes drained. So let's just go ahead and get them in our mixer. You can use a mixer, you can use a hand mixer, or you can mash them by hand, whatever you choose. I'm doing it the lazy way. I'm using a mixer, plus it helps it get a little bit more smoother and creamy. Yeah. All right, let's start off and get us some heavy cream in there. Let's get our butter in there, as you've seen I just threw in there. Let's get, and we're gonna do this to taste. So let's get us some black pepper in there. I'm salt in this thing. There we go. And then we're just going to mix it, taste it, see if we need to make any adjustments. If not, we'll be good to go. Mixer, I always want to make sure you stop it and get from what's around the edges. That way you can get everything incorporated. All right, family, our taters are done. Yeah, not too thick, not too watery. Now let's put this in a bowl and make it look pretty. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Got that DQ test. But yet oh so creamy. Yeah. Yeah. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it, because we're doing it like this. That Boy Can Cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah. Yeah.